Carbohydrates is one of the important nutrients of our body. Carbohydrate-rich foods are an important part of our health. They are energy-giving foods. It is often found in both healthy and unhealthy food sources. Our digestive system breaks carbohydrates into glucose, which in turn gets absorbed in our body, which provides us energy. Lower blood sugar levels is called hypoglycemia, whereas high blood sugar levels is called hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia may lead to diabetes, which we will be discussing in different video. Coming back to carbohydrates, almost all food sources contains carbohydrates, in some or the other amount. Carbs give us instant energy. If we don't use that energy, it will be stored in form of glycogen, and when we need to use energy, this stored energy will be used first. In simple terms, if you eat carbohydrates, the energy produced by them will be used or burned first. Carbs play an important role in weight loss, in a negative sense. We should consume less of carbs and balance it with protein, to start fat loss from our body. Now let's understand what carbohydrates family looks like. Number 1, monosaccharides. These contains sugar forms like glucose, blood sugar, fructose, fruit sugar, and galactose, milk sugar. They all contain single bond and can be easily broken to produce energy. Number 2, disaccharides. These contains sugar forms like table sugar, lactose, maltose. They are all double bond and can't be broken easily. Number 3, polysaccharides. They are complex carbohydrates with more than double bonds. The examples of polysaccharides are starch and fiber. Glycogen is a principal storage form of glucose. It is rapid and accessible form of energy that can be supplied to tissues on demand. Glycogen is not a significant source of carbohydrates. It is a form of complex carbohydrates, but it is not a dietary source of carbohydrates. Plants store glucose as starch, and when we consume them, we intake a lot of starch, and this starch gets converted into glucose to provide us energy. If you are diabetic, you should limit or stop consuming foods like potatoes, corn, and other starch-containing items. Fiber is another form of carbohydrates, which helps keep your gut in good health. If you are consuming fiber, it helps to filter out excessive sugar and waste out of your body. For more insights on this, please talk to our experts. They will help you understand it better. Remember, whatever you eat determines your health.